Meet the 2022 Ember RV Overland Series 191 MDB, where rugged meets luxury. This RV is built for the explorers at heart. Perfect for those who crave adventure without sacrificing comfort. But it's not just about comfort. This RV is ready for off-grid adventures. With its independent suspension and all-terrain tires, the 191 MDB takes you where most RVs can't go. Step inside and discover how this compact space transforms into a cozy living area. The innovative Murphy bed system maximizes your space. Check out the full kitchen with premium appliances. Perfect for cooking your favorite meals no matter where you are. And don't miss the modern bathroom, complete with a spacious shower, just like home. Powered by solar panels and equipped with large water and holding tanks, you can stay off the grid longer. Are you ready to explore the world in the 2022 Ember RV Overland Series 191 MDB? Follow us for more RV tours and tips. Visit Gillette'sInterstateRV.com today. Find your perfect travel companion.